Hey everyone, this is the Horseshoe Casino in Indiana, and we're sitting at the Sizzling 7 machine. This is an older style machine, but it's newer. It's got the little bit of more color, a little bit more pizzazz, and we have $20 in free credits that we're gonna bet on this machine. It is a 25-cent denomination machine, and it allows a maximum of 3 credits per spin, which is 75 cents for the max credit spin, meaning we are going to get, let's say 80 divided by 3 is, what is that? It's almost 27 spins. 26 at max credit, and then the rest, whatever's left over, we'll just spin that in the final spin. So let's go ahead and get started at max credit, which is 3 credits, 75 cents. So as usual, if you've been watching my videos, we're gonna go ahead and stop when we reach the number of credits that we have earned. Right now we've earned 0, so we're gonna stop once this credit number reaches 0. Hopefully that's not gonna happen. We're gonna win some money out of this machine. That almost looked like a win. Alright, so we got only 2 credits won. That's 50 cents. The reason it did that is because at 3 credits when we're playing, that's where you're going to hit that top prize. Oh, I thought that would have given something. Alright, so we're getting a bunch of maybe wins here, but not really wins. So we're only up 2 credits right now. Pretty strict so far. So many of these reels that spun look like they're wins, when in fact they were not. Two more, that's a total of 4 credits won, which is $1. Another 2, that's 6 credits. So if we had all 3 of the 7s, we'd have won 300 credits. Alright, so we're running out of time here. Let's see, what do we got? We got 6 credits, I think, we won. This is our final spin for 3 credits. And now we're going to do a 2 credit spin. Hitting that button twice. Let's see what happens with our final 2 credits. Alright. So we walked away with something. Won $2.50 on that hand. Had won 6 credits prior, which was $1.50, for a total of $4. That's what exactly The count is 16 credits, $4, and we're just gonna go ahead and cash out. Alright, I mean, $20 of free credits to make $4. I don't know. I mean, that's not a good return for this particular machine. And I hope you guys will be joining me in the near future for more spins on other machines here. This was the Sizzling 7 at the Horseshoe Casino. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't, and for those people who have subscribed, thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye for now.